I am not a guru. In fact, it is too difficult to be a guru. A guru is the one who controls the elements of nature and actually have completely been in unison with nature. The only way to identify is the master who controls the elements of nature and evidently show this on a very regular basis is the guru. Ironically, world over, people who are good orators and have memorized a lot of scriptures actually go on declaring themselves as gurus. Be aware, they are not. Rest all could be priests, preachers, trainers, teachers. My role is very simple. With my experience and encounters with great masters and my master, the guru, I am only making you ready to become good receptors so as eventually you get ready for the guru to act upon you. So as you do not get lost in the gimmickry world of spiritualism, you do not get lost in the market of meditation. Coming back and issues related with body, mind and intellect as we discussed as precept number 1, please understand that how has this body come into existence? If you look at the physical side of it, you will find a lot of information, quite accurate, and the physical science. But unfortunately, the science as we see today and the scientists are unable to explore the metaphysical side of it. For example, the moment you are in the womb and have started taking some physical shape, from that point onwards, the science could very well define, interpret, and go through the details of its evolution. But when it comes to discussing about your existence, as to where were you before you are implanted, where were you before you are put into the womb out of certain courses, and where would you be after the separation of this physical body? When you come to this topic, science is purely helpless, and that is very unfortunate. And that is where the gurus actually could help the scientific community to explore the metaphysical side of the existence.